It is an honor to be here representing India, a nation that has always been the cornerstone in global food production, a driver of agri-business transformations, and now an emerging powerhouse in food processing and technology-driven supply chain. The theme of this summit, Realizing the Vision, Leadership Speaks, Food Cluster Roadmap Ahead, resonates deeply with India's own journey in the food sector. We are gathered today at a time when the food industry is undergoing a seismic transformation driven by technological advancements, shifting consumer preferences, supply chain reconfiguration, and the growing imperative of sustainability. The food manufacturing sector is no longer just about production and distribution. It is about resilience, self-sustainability, and innovation. Our Honorable Prime Minister, the Government of India has placed a renewed emphasis on the global collaboration to enhance food security, boosting processing capacities and integrated digital technologies across the food chain. Today, Indian food companies, agri-tech startups, and processing enterprises are ready to partner with the global industry leaders to build a more interconnected and resilient food ecosystem. The UAE and India share a deep-rooted trade relationship, one that has flourished through decades of mutual trust and economic partnership. With the comprehensive economic partnership agreement in place, we are witnessing a new era of trade and investment opportunities, particularly in the F&B sector. Indian food processing companies are increasingly looking at the UAE not just as a market, but a strategic hub to access global food supply chain. Today, I encourage UAE-based companies and investors to look at India as their preferred destination for sourcing, processing, and co-developing high-value food products. Our government has introduced 100% FDI in food processing, various schemes and extensive infrastructure development through mega food parks to support seamless investment inflows. This is the right time to forge joint ventures, co-invest in food clusters, and establish integrated processing units that cater to the world. The future of the global food sector depends on how effectively we can build resilient and competitive food clusters that address the challenges of climate change, resource efficiency, and consumer-driven innovations. The UAE is pioneering food cluster models that integrates technology, sustainability, and investment-driven scalability. India, with its vast agrarian base, is ready to collaborate by enhancing knowledge exchange, integrating advanced supply food solutions, and investing in digital agricultural framework that improves productivity while reducing food waste. As our Honorable Prime Minister says, Bharat mein aane ka yahi samay hai, sahi samay hai. That means this is the time to invest in India, and this is the right time to invest in India. The food industry today is at a pivotal juncture where collaboration will define the way forward. Whether it is strengthening the food clusters, investing in agri-tech, or building resilient supply chains, the UAE and India have a unique opportunity to lead this transformation together. Our shared commitment to sustainability, technological advancement, and investment-driven growth places us at the forefront of shaping the global F&B industry. As we discuss the future roadmap of F&B sector, I invite you all to be the part of World Food India 2025 from September 25th to 28th in New Delhi. This global platform will bring together government leaders, multinational food enterprises, cutting-edge startups, and industry pioneers to explore opportunities in the fastest growing food market in the world. After the resounding success of World Food India 2024, the upcoming edition promises to be even and more impactful. We are creating a space where food innovators, investors, and manufacturers can connect, collaborate, and transform ideas into tangible business opportunities. I encourage UAE business and food industry stakeholders to leverage India's policy-driven growth trajectory, expanding consumer base, and world-class food processing ecosystem. The food industry today is at a pivotal juncture where collaboration will define the way forward, whether it is in strengthening food clusters, investing in agri-tech, or building resilient supply chain. The UAE and India have a unique opportunity to lead this together. I urge you all, business leaders, policymakers, investors, and entrepreneurs, to join hands in creating future where food is not just a commodity, but driver of economic prosperity, nutritional well-being, and global cooperation. Let us use this summit as a catalyst to build stronger alliances, develop future-ready solutions, and reinforce the UAE-India partnership in the most critical sector, that is food. I once again thank you all for giving me this opportunity to be here. I thank Saleh Lota, Chairman, UAE Food and Beverage Business Group. Thank you so much for having me here. I would also like to thank Kambata ji, Chairman, CII National Committee on Affirmative Action and Special Abilities. I also thank Her Excellency Maria ji for giving me this opportunity to be here, and thank you for all your kind words. Thank you so much, and I'm very, very sure, I'm very confident that our relationship between these two countries will go thicker and thicker from here. Thank you so much. And at last, I would also like to thank the Consul General of India in Dubai, Mr. Satishi, and everybody that is present in room. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.